Guys, I'm scared. I feel like taking this on a highway and
when you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
what's up guys, it's 11:30 a.m. in the morning and I'm checking out. I'm going to my hometown via Bangalore and the room is completely messed up and I'm all set. And today the weather is completely sunny. Damn. And you can see the tip of this mountain, man. There is my car and let's go. The light is really sharp. I am hoping it cranks up without any issues. Whoa. Sometimes this car scares me, man. So I have left the car for warm up. It's warming up and check the view out. I actually hate holding phone like this and vlogging. That is the reason I'm not vlogging like this. So just pardon me, guys. What's up, guys? Good morning. So it's 12 p.m. in the afternoon and we are going back to our hometown, which is around 800 kilometers away from here. And the Google shows 14 hours. We have to go via Mysore and Bangalore, but we have small work in Bangalore, so we'll be stopping in Bangalore for a bit and going back to hometown. So the hotel we checked in is Silent Valley, which I'll share you the location. It's a really nice hotel. Sceneries are epic from the hotel. So if you are ever coming to OTA, just check into the hotel. And it's not sponsored, guys. I'm being honest, it's really nice. We could not explore Ooty since it was raining yesterday. So today it's really sunny and we got a chance to explore. We are actually going to a very special place. Every time I come to Ooty, I only see clouds and fog, but this time I have experienced all three climates. Day 1 it was cloudy, day 2 was rainy, and today is extremely sunny, man. My skin is literally burning. Yeah, today's temperature is around 20 degrees and yesterday at this time it was 13, I guess. Yeah. That is why we didn't come out of our room, and today we got a good chance. So the place has finally arrived and let's get into first person view. So this is the place, guys. That's where you have to collect your tickets. And look at these trees, man. This is called
Tree forest.
Pine Tree Forest. Damn, look at these trees, guys. Look at these, guys. This is where we ended up. Looks damn beautiful. Look at that 1 horsepower right there. This is what we are riding. 1 horsepower right there. It has got 4 legs and a tail, and it has got a proper face.
One jumper.
Okay.
Wait for you, na?
What's up?
भाई आने के बाद अगला जाएगा साहब, ठीक है? सिर्फ दोपहर दाबला कर को.
The ride quality is pretty bad though. I'm jumping all over around. It's a very big off-roader, man. You don't have to worry about tire pressure and all. It just walks on its own. I feel like taking this on a highway and using its full potential, but I'm not a regular horse rider. I don't want to fall down and kill myself.
इसमें बहुत बारिश है सब ऊटी का वो बड़ा बड़ा है ना
हाँ
थोड़ा स्लिप होता
अच्छा
वो ऑफ ग्राउंड ऑफ लेके अरे देखता ना
हाँ हाँ
हाँ ऑफ ग्राउंड ऑफ लेके इसमें बहुत बार पानी ऊपर आता
Damn guys, I'm scared.
सिट सर
हाँ नहीं मैं GoPro में बोल रहा हूँ छोड़ दो. So every time I come to OT I get on this horse, but this time I get to capture it with my GoPro.
हाँ
आपका नाम क्या है?
उसका नाम मिल्टन
आपका नाम मिल्टन है?
हाँ
So my man Milton is taking me for a horse ride. I can't really ride a horse. I'm just sitting without holding anything, but this feels amazing guys. And look at the view over here. Thank God it's not cloudy today. That is where I parked my horse and leaving this place, and look at this beautiful forest guys. What the hell man, there is this dustbin over here and people are throwing their cokes and shitty things over here on the ground. What the hell. It's so steep guys and I'm running out of breath, and the stupid GoPro is so unreliable that I'm continuously losing so many important files. Whew. Phone works better than the GoPro. Whew. Anyways, let's get back in the car and continue the journey. Look at my heartbeat. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck are you doing over here, bro? Let's do one thing. That's it. We are done with the horse riding and going back to Bangalore now. It's 1:01 in the afternoon and we still have to cover 400 kilometers, bro.
Yeah.
Plan is to reach Bangalore before 5 in the evening because I have to test drive his cruise, tuned cruise. But I don't think we'll reach by that time. Let's see, let's hope for the best. And we are not taking the same route. There is another route for going back to Mysore. There are going to be different landscapes in here, so I'll show you if I find something interesting. For now, enjoy me cornering these roads. Just stick to your lane and do whatever you want, guys. No matter what you drive, a bus or a lorry or a bike, just stick to your lane. Man, Saj is enjoying the views and I'm enjoying the drive. Drive in second gear, nice. Every time I take a turn, I see a extremely beautiful landscape. I don't know what to show you and what not to, but let's see. I'm recording every single thing.
ఓ ఇలాంటిది వస్తుంది కదా.
చెప్పు. Damn.
Ever want to pee on top of the world?
Look at these guys. Whew. You see those liquor bottles and stupid plastic covers? Why the hell people are spoiling these kind of beautiful places, man? Just keep it in your car, even if you drink or smoke. Look at this, countless cans and countless plastic papers. Anyways, goodbye to this place, and we are heading back to our car. Look at this dirty machine, man. And I'm gonna enter through sunroof now. Anyways, look at that red hot Polo over there with a tag underneath it and a mini spoiler. Looks sporty though. And check out the number plate. That's a Polo GT. Nice. Are 2 Polos.
You think they are in a race?
What's wrong with this Polo guy, man? Holy moly, look at these trees.